Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression. So if we have 5 to the power of 11 minus 3 square, so we write this into the lowest form. So here the very first step we are going to do is first you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem, so we will solve this problem without using the calculator. Or here I can show all of the working on the paper, so that here the very first thing we are going to do is first we need to focus on the exponent of this term, and you see here the exponent of 5 is 11, and we write it as 5 to the power of 10 plus 1. We write this 11 as 10 plus 1 minus this is a 3 square, and 3 square equals to 9. So here further we need to use here the exponent law. You know that if we have a to the power of m plus n equals to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So according to this exponent law, here we just break the exponent of this term, and it will be written as 5 to the power of 10 into 5 to the power of 1 minus this is 9, and we write this 9 as minus 5 minus 4. We know that minus 5 minus 4 equals to minus 9. And now further you see here in the first two terms we have 5 be the common term, so that now we take common 5 from the first two terms, and we get the remaining terms are 5 to the power of 10 minus 1, and this is minus 4. And now further in the next step we have here we focus on this 5 to the power of 10, and we write this 5 to the power of 10 as 5 to the power of 5 times of 2 minus 1, and this is subtracted by minus 4. And after that here we need another exponent law. You know that if we have a to the power of m multiplied by n, we write it as a to the power of m and whole power is n. So according to this exponent law, we move this 5 inside inside the base, and we write it as 5 to the power of 5 and its whole square minus this is 1, and we write this 1 as 1 square, and this is minus 4. After this step here we apply another algebraic formula. You know that if we have a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So according to this algebraic formula, we have this is the value of a and this is the value of b. So here when we apply this formula to the above expression, so that our above expression is written as 5 times of, we write it as 5 to the power of 5 minus 1 into 5 to the power of 5 plus 1, and it is whole subtracted by minus 4. Okay, so now here our next target is to find the value of 5 to the power of 5. So here I hope so you very well know about the meaning of 5 to the power of 5. So this 5 to the power of 5 means that we need to multiply this 5 on 5 times in this way. And now here further you see that 5 times of 5 becomes 25. 25 times of 5 becomes here 125, and 125 times of 5 becomes here 625, and 625 times of 5 becomes here 3125. Here you can just find this product of 5 numbers with 5 with the traditional method of multiplication, which you can learn about in your primary classes. So that here now our final answer is that with 5 to the power of 5 equals to 3125. So we need to substitute this value here, and it will be written as in this form this is 5 times of 5 to the power of 5 equals to 3125 minus 1, and 3125 plus 1, and this whole is subtracted by 4. And now we have the next terms are 5 times of this will be written as a 3124 into this will becomes 3126, and it is subtracted by minus 4. Okay, so here further we need more simplifications, and we again rewrite this expression as 5 times. This is 3124. We write it as 3100 plus 24, and similarly we write this term as 3100 and plus 26, and this is subtracted by minus 4. And now in the next step, here we need to multiply uh, these two factors, so that when you multiply these two factors, it will be written as 5 times of here 3100 multiplied by 3100 equals to 3100 and its whole square, plus here when you multiply 3100 by 26, it will be written as 3100 multiplied by 26, and similarly here you have 24 is multiplied by 3100, and plus we have 24 is multiplied by 26, and it is subtracted by minus 4. So here in order to find the square of 3100, it will be written as, here you can easily multiply 3100 with 3100, and we will find its value is 961. So we know that the square of 31 equals to 961, and here you see that these are two zeros, so the square of two zeros, we just write it here 4 zeros. Okay, so plus here we need to multiply 3100 by 26, so that now you can just using the traditional method of multiplication, and I hope so you easily get the product of these two numbers, and the product of these two numbers are 80600, and plus similarly when you multiply 24 by 3100, it will be equals to 744 and 00. Okay, here I cannot multiply these numbers because of the video length of this question, because this question is very long, but now here I can just left up to you this product for you. Okay, so you can and I hope so you can easily multiply these type of numbers. And now here we need to multiply 24 times of 26. So when you multiply these two numbers, it will be written as 624, and we subtract it by minus 4. So that here we can just use the traditional method of addition in order to add all of these values, and we have 961, 4 zeros, and after that we have 00608, and we have 00447 and 426. So we need to add all of these numbers. Okay, so here you have, this is 4 2 6 plus 4 10, we have 0 and 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 8 16, we have 6 and carry 1, 6 plus 1 is 7, and this is 9. So here we need to multiply this number by 5, so that here I can just do this stuff for you. So 5 4 is 20, we write 0 and carry 2, 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 12, 5 0, so here we can write 12 here, 5 5 is 25, we write 5 and carry 2, 5 6 is 30 plus 2 32, we write 2 and carry 3, 7 5 is 35, 35 plus 3 38, we write 8 and carry 3, so 9 5s are 45, 45 plus 3 is 48. Okay, this is the product, and at the last we need to subtract all of this number by minus 4, so that here we can subtract it by minus 4. And so here we take carry 1, it will becomes 10, here you get 1, 10 minus 4 becomes 6, here you have 1, and this is 1 5 2 8 8 and 4. Okay, So finally we have the final answer of this question is 5 to the power of 11 minus 3 square equals to 4882511 and 6. This is the final simplified form of the given question. This is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.